Meaning of Kool-Aid.
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 Kool-Aid. In its literal sense, Kool-Aid is a brand of flavored drink mix that is usually mixed with water and sugar. However, in American slang, the term drinking the Kool-Aid refers to blindly following or believing in a particular idea or ideology without questioning it, often to the point of causing harm or going against one's own interests. This phrase originally comes from the tragic events surrounding the 1978 Jonestown Massacre, in which over 900 people died from drinking poison Kool-Aid at the behest of cult leader Jim Jones.